Broken gear. Broken gear is definitely one of those things that no one really talks about within the creator world. It's spring cleaning. It's time to get out with the old, in with the new. And also look at this. So my camera is on this tripod that will not stay static. So if I want a clean static shot and I'm outside, my camera is moving off to the side. You've probably seen some videos where that actually thing is happening. I want something that's going to be a little bit more sustainable when I'm out in different conditions and different environments. I want to be able to control my gear. So the hallmarks of what I look for when I'm looking for new gear is, do I need it? Let's be real here. Buying new things is fun, but do I need it? Is it something in my setup that I actually need? Two, does it reach the specifications that I'm looking for right now? Does it have a certain wattage number? Does it go to a certain height? Does it have certain features that I need with effects? All of these are different parameters that you're looking for when you're looking to purchase new gear. And three, is it of market value? Have I checked around to different locations to find the best value if you're locked into a brand that you like, because you're running a business, and so you want to make sure that you are cutting costs of the business, but you're also still maintaining production value and a standard and quality for your brand. So today, let's go through some unboxing of some new gear and see how it works. First up, we've got our video light kit by Veedi. Let's get this set up. So this is our 27K temperature setting. I like this setting. It's a bit warmer. I don't have any lights on in the room right now other than these two lights. And it's very natural. This is what they say the CRI would help out with. This is a really comfortable setting to have. Let's get into our 48K. This is the 48K, just a bit cooler in its tone. I love this one as well. I have a light in this direction and I have a light right over here. So let's move on to our 56K. This is our 56K. As you can see, it definitely has a bit more of having three different light temperatures definitely gives me a variation to play with when lighting my shots. I can really get into carving out different moods for the shots that I'm looking to get. Now this is interesting. So we got this light here over on a cool 56K, and then we have this light on this side on the 27K. Look what that does to the shot. I'm actually really liking this. I find that this has a cool kind of mood to it. It's very vibey. I'm into it. So what I feel like we've done today is up our game when it comes to the functionality of the space. I no longer just have one ring light. This has three different light temperatures, adjustable dimming, and it also has that CRI, the color rendering index, two phone holders, two tripods, two light panels, adjustable remote control settings. You can't beat that right now. As well as the power source connections are USB, and they come with USB to USB-C connection adapters, which really helps the versatility of these light panels. I'm super happy with this. This 2-pack light panel came in at $49, I want to say. There was a 5% off coupon Amazon had. Let's move into our tripod that's going to help me get the swivel out of my system.